Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is going to be another what I eat in a day while quarantining. Every morning I start off with some tea. I've been really digging this English breakfast tea with some soy milk. It's thebomb.com. Most mornings I usually like to make oatmeal, and today I'm making like a strawberry date oatmeal with some chia seeds, some soy milk. It's like literally one of the best foods ever in mankind. I actually ate oatmeal for dinner last night. Not even gonna lie to you. So I just popped that in the microwave. Super easy. And then I put in like a tablespoon, no, not even, like a teaspoon of chia seeds. And recently I've been adding salt to my oatmeals, which sounds really weird, but I think I saw Nikki Vegan on YouTube do it, and so I wanted to try it because I love her cooking videos. They're so cool. I love her so much. And it's a game changer. So yeah, just add a little pinch of salt to your oatmeal. It really brings out the flavor. And then I put in some strawberries that I cut up. And then dates are so freaking delicious. They are literally nature's delicacy. Like, I don't understand why I never ate dates before. I think I discovered them in high school and I can't stop eating them. They're so freaking delicious. But they literally taste like caramel. They kind of look like cockroaches, but they don't taste like cockroaches. Not that I would know how a cockroach would taste. But 10 out of 10 would recommend. They just sweeten everything up. And then, lo and behold, are you surprised? I added peanut butter to my oatmeal this morning. I freaking love peanut butter. I love it so much. And that was my breakfast, ladies and gentlemen. It was super filling, super good. It's pretty basic, not even gonna lie. I kind of have this oatmeal every single day. For lunch, I've been making this bomb salad, let me tell you. I rolled up some tofu. Note to self, buy a tofu press. But I rolled up some tofu. I put the rest of it in a container with some water, and I just keep it in the fridge. And I feel like it keeps it fresher that way. But I just cut it up into 4 blocks, and I basically roll it up in a paper towel, and then I roll it up again in a, what is that? A trapasador. I don't know what is the word for it in English. I forgot. And I've been cutting up potatoes and cutting them up into little cubes. Sometimes I use like sweet potatoes, or last night I used a Japanese sweet potato. So freaking delicious. If you haven't tried Japanese sweet potatoes, to add that to your list. Oh, there's Samara. Hey, Samara. And I've been roasting them in our air fryer. We have had an air fryer for the longest time. But it's like this clunky, weird-looking machine, and I've never used it because I always feel weird. I don't know why. But the other day I had the genius idea of putting my vegetables in there. And here I'm cutting up some cauliflower. Love cauliflower too. And roasting it in the air fryer, and it's a game changer. Literally, I can have roasted veggies in like 15, 20 minutes, and I don't have to wait for the frickin' oven to preheat because that takes literally 5 years. But yeah, I'm just keeping up my tofu, putting it all together in this little tiny pan. It's so freaking cute. And then I add a buttload of spices to it. I add like this all-seasoning spice that has everything in it. Some paprika, some adobe seasoning. I think that's how you say it. Some oregano. God, I love oregano. It's so freaking good. Some salt and some pepper. I think I added salt afterwards. But yeah, that's basically what I've been adding every single day to like my roasted veggies. Oh, I also added some garlic powder. Can't forget about that guy. Just a little sprinkle. And I'm just massaging the seasoning into my veggies. And then I popped it into the air fryer, I think for like 17 minutes. And everything came out like super well cooked and like crispy and lit. Yeah, doesn't that look so good? Wow, I want some right now. I actually haven't had breakfast and it's like 1:49 in the afternoon as I'm filming this on Monday, which is when this video is going to be uploaded. Lord and behold. Can you tell how much of a procrastinator I am? Oh, so quick tip. If you want a simple and healthy salad dressing, this will save your life. Basically, just get a tablespoon of hummus and mix it up with a little bit of water. Boom, bada bang, you got a bomb salad dressing. This is how I've been dressing my salads basically this whole week, and it's so good. Like, you can literally buy any kind of hummus and like change up the flavor and whatever, and just massage it into your greens or mix it into your greens, and yeah, it's so good. So a lot of salad dressings have like extra preservatives and like weird stuff in it that you don't need, and like this is just an easy way to get, I guess, more veggies into your diet, because hummus is made from chickpeas, right? So technically you're eating chickpeas, just in liquid form. Delicious. And that's my mom. Hi, Mommy. Oh my god, she's so cute. And here I am just cutting up, I think, like a fourth of an avocado. And I just added that to my salad. Salate? Is that how Italians say salad? Salate? Salat? Am I just making that up? Probably. And then after my veggies were done roasting, I added them to my salad. And I mixed it up a little bit more. Boom, bada bang. I called it a day and I ate that bad boy up. You best believe. Oh, yes. Woo! And yeah, that was my lunch, ladies and gentlemen. And this is just a video of me doing my graphic design work. I've gotten so freaking bored during this whole thing, pandemic. I was doing my projects and my homework on a weekend. I'm pretty sure I filmed this on like a Saturday. How sad is that? It gave me something to do though, so that was cool, and I finished it and I sent it off, so that was kind of lit. Don't have to worry about that. And then for dinner, I've been eating dinner really late recently, don't know why, but I wanted to eat some rice cakes, and I realized that the first package was all broken up, so I just got the second package. And don't ask me why Aldi or this specific brand like packages the rice cakes in two separate packaging. Like, that literally makes no sense. Someone should talk to their supervisor, because there's no reason for that excess amount of plastic. But I just added some peanut butter to my rice cakes. Are you surprised? This is a chunky peanut butter though, so I'm going a little crazy here. And yeah, I just added a tablespoon of peanut butter to each one. Slathered on that bad boy. And then I cut up a banana, because peanut butter and banana on rice cakes is literally a delicacy in itself. If you haven't tried it, go ahead and try it. The rice cakes are crunchy, and peanut butter and banana always go together. I'm so sorry if you're allergic to peanut butter and you're watching this video. I don't really know what to tell you. That sucks though. I apologize. But it's bomb. And it will forever be in my heart. And I think I had like one little extra piece.